Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today we are reviewing Cedreo, an easy-to-use home design tool. Is it the best option for you? Let's find out. Cedreo is a 3D home design software for home builders, interior designers, and DIYers. It lets you create floor plans and visualize projects in 3D with minimal effort using drag-and-drop functionality. You can quickly draw floor plans, add walls and doors, and see 3D updates in real time. There's a library of pre-designed furniture and decor to help customize your designs, making it ideal for quick, professional results. It's user-friendly, web-based, and great for fast design work. However, it's not as customizable as some professional tools and lacks advanced features for architects or detailed engineering. Cedreo is perfect for home builders, interior designers, or anyone who needs fast or realistic 3D designs. But if you need advanced technical features, it might not be the right fit. Thanks for watching this review of Cedreo on How to Literally. Stay tuned for more smart, simple reviews.